Alright guys, what do, it's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the best credit cards you can get so you guys can start fixing and building your credit. Because I know a lot of people don't know this or don't think about this or are afraid of credit cards, but credit cards play a very essential role in building your credit. So therefore you can start to afford and buy things for a lot less. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so before I start hopping into the credit cards, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and most definitely like this video. Just go ahead, tap that little like button for me, make it turn blue, make the thumbs up, make a sound, click, clack, ping. Appreciate it. Now, we were talking about credit card and why they play an essential role. The reason why credit cards are so important if you really want to build your credit is as simple as it can get. Did you know that credit age plays a very, very big role in your credit, right? Now, how the credit age works in a very stupid way, but it is what it is. So pretty much what credit age is how long you go with debt or a open line of credit, right? So for instance, say you get a mortgage would be something good for your credit age because typically mortgages are 15 to 30 years. To have a credit line open that long would make your credit age very, very good. Now you take that on the flip side, say you go buy something from, now let's say what, Royal Furniture or Home Decor or a car note. These things have less time on how long it takes you to pay them off. Cars between 5 to 6 years now, and you can pay something off at Royal Furniture in 2 years. Granted, these are good ways to build your credit, but once you actually pay these things off, they actually tend to fall off. And by fall off, I mean it starts to subtract negatively on your credit age, which actually plays, like I said, a very big role in building your credit. So to put it into perspective, how important credit age is, of course we all know paying your payments on time is a very huge portion of your actual credit. 35% of your credit is just paying your payments on time. Another 30% is your credit utilization, and the next highest one after that would be your credit age, which is 15%. So it plays a very, very big role in your credit. Okay, so like I said, just to give a rundown, paying things off early actually can hurt you because, and when it comes to credit age, once you pay something off that long, it'll stay on your credit by a couple more years, but then it will fall off. Once it fall off, that subtracts from your credit age, because your credit age is not based on, oh well, I started credit at the age of 18. That's when I bought something. A lot of people think that's actually wrong. Even if you start or go out and buy your car or whatever the case may be at the age of 18, your credit age doesn't start at 18 until your current age. Your credit age is basically the length of your loans. So why are credit cards so important? That's why credit cards play a big factor in credit age. If you open a credit card at the age of 18 and you open just a basic card, one of the couple I'm going to give you today, if you have bad credit or no credit, opening these credit cards at the age of 18 is actually great, because these cards, all you have to do is just constantly renew said cards. Long as you never close out said account, those cards will stay active. So if you do start at 18 and you go all the way up to 30, 35, that will count as your credit age, because that account has been open for a very long time. But I know a lot of people like myself, we didn't start off out the gate. It's okay, but you can start today. Start today by getting one of these credit cards. Like I said, I know a lot of people credit is bad. I know a lot of people don't have no credit at all. And it's weird because bad credit is better than no credit. So these are why these credit cards I'm gonna give you guys are so important. It will help you start to lay that foundation to better your credit score. So, number one, credit card. There is a very good card to get whether you have bad or no credit. The Discover Secured Card. Yes. Now, the Discover Secured Card is probably one of the better cards on this list for multiple reasons. One, it has no annual fee, and this is something you should really look for when you're trying to lay the groundwork for your credit. If it doesn't have an annual fee, you should be able to renew this card every year, no charge. All you have to do is maintain the credit card. Don't do anything outrageous like go run it up and you can't pay it back. You can put something simple on it like Netflix or your Spotify account or Apple Music, something like that, and you can be able to put that on auto pay. This card is the play. Why? Because amongst the cards I'm going to give you guys today, this one is pretty much the one that gives you some of the better perks. You get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants. A lot of starter cards do not offer rewards. This card does, which is why I'm giving it to you guys. Normally you would say the best for last, but nah. I'm going to tell you the best one off the jump. Why? Because it's the best option. I mean, what else is there to say? But this card, like I said, no annual fee and you get rewards. And since it's a security card, it's very easy to obtain. Very easy to obtain. Whether it's bad credit or no credit. Why? Because they make it where you put down the security deposit for said card. So let's say you have $200. You will front $200 to get the card, and that will act as your credit balance. That will be the baseline for your credit card. Have a $200 limit. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, is that a real credit card if I had to put my money up? It is, because due to you having no credit or bad credit, these credit card companies do not want to trust you. And the ones that do trust you, they're just trying to get over on you. Discover it is not trying to get over on you guys. They want you to learn the game of credit. So that's why they give you these rewards. That's why they make it no annual fee. And that's why until you get some skin in the game, as the people say, you have to get a security card. I myself had a security card. I held it for like a year, and I wasn't wise in the days. I ended up closing it. I really hate that I did. But you live, you learn. Also with the card, with Discovery card, like I said, the reason why it's one of the best cards to start off with, it gives you 2x points for your entire first year having your card. Now, that may seem small when you first get in the game, but having a card that gives you that perk, even if it's for 1 year, is amazing, because it's better than what other cards will offer you. Trust me, because I myself had Capital One security card, no perks. Of course, I had to do the same thing with the security deposit. I think I put $350 down, but that card, like I said, it's also a decent card. Not at Discover It level, but it's a decent card only because the Capital One card doesn't give you anything. That's it. And I know if you're building credit, it's not important. Yes, but if you can get the option, get the option. It will help you generate more. And that's the whole purpose of doing it, to make more, to generate more. So those are 2 cards right there. Discover It, Capital One Secured. Now, on to the next card. Now, another credit card that is on this list that you can get, like I said, even if you have terrible and no credit, would be the Secured Open Sky credit card. Now, this card is terrible. But if you struggle to get the Discovery card or the Capital One card, this card would more than likely accept you. But fair warning, this card is terrible. But if you really mess your credit up, you have to start somewhere and let this place be it if it comes to that. But the things I don't like about the card. Like I said, I start with the things that I do like because it's very short. Then what I don't like. Do like, it can help you build your credit, right? That's the all it is for. That's the good. The bad is literally terrible. One, starting off, you don't have an annual fee, which is what I said. You want that, especially in your first credit card. You want to hold this credit card forever. Now, that's good. It doesn't start with an annual fee, but you end up getting an annual fee. Now, it is also a secured card, but yes, you do get an annual fee of $35 a year. That sucks. But another pro for this card is they don't even run your credit. That's why I say more than likely, without a shadow of a doubt, you can get this credit card. But like I said, let it be a last resort. If everything does not work, then you opt to get this card. No credit check needed. Just a $200 security deposit, and that will be your credit card balance. You will not have an annual fee first year, but after that, you will have an annual fee of $35. But like I said, that would be okay if it's your last option and you can't get approved for the Discovery or Capital One card. Use this card, help you, lay some groundwork foundation. Then you would immediately apply for another card. Between 6 months and a year after getting this card, 6 months to a year to really build your credit, then you will get you another card. So try to use it for the entire year that you don't have to pay an annual fee. And me personally, if you can get approved for any of the other two cards, the other Capital One or the Discovery It or upgraded card, do that and cancel this card. It's not worth holding a long time due to the annual fee. The annual fee will literally chip away at your pockets. You don't want that. But like I said, if you need to get in the game, they will most definitely accept you. But that's my 2 cents. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate all the people who subscribed last time. Thank you. You're gonna make my dreams come true and actually get monetized. But it's your boy Action, and I'm out.